Hi, another type differential equation which is called Bernoulli type differential equation. It's similar to first order linear differential equation, but what's the difference between these two differential equations? So here on the right side there is theorem of y, and this is linear differential equation y prime px y equal qx, but on the right side there was no theorem of y. But if we have there is theorem of y on the right side, this is called Bernoulli differential equation. But this is important. Look, on the right side theorem of y, but the power different from 0. Why? If it is 0, it will be 1. So just we have qx, that's why this is linear. If we have as power equal 1, y to the power of 1 send to left side, y is common factor, you can obtain separable equation or linear equation again. That's why we say that the power will be different from 0 and 1. If we have this type theorem of y on the right side, this is called Bernoulli differential equation, and our aim is to make Bernoulli differential equation first order linear differential equation. So our aim is to make it first order linear. On the right side, in the first order linear differential equation, on the right side there is no theorem of y. That's why first aim for us, divide by theorem of y, that is y to the power of n, for all equation, divide by y to the power of n, and remove the theorem of y from right side on the way of getting linear equation. And after that, use this substitution, z equal y to the power of 1 minus n. But in the equation we have derivative, that's why we need to use derivative. That's why we have to take derivative for this part. For example, if we have z equal y cubed, let's suppose that, take derivative, it will be z prime. Take derivative, y cubed will be 3y square, to show we are taking for the term of y prime. If it is y to the power of, we will take like that. Z prime means dz over dx, y prime means dy over dx. Okay, we will use this transformation, this substitution, and we have to take its derivative, because in the equation we have derivative and we have substitute derivative as well. And after that, after using this substitution, our aim is to obtain linear differential equation. After obtaining linear differential equation, we know how we solved linear differential equation, and after that we will solve. And let's solve an example and you will understand better. There is derivative px y, on the right side there is theorem of y, on the right side there is theorem of y. That's why this is Bernoulli, and what is n? Y to the power of n, that's why y cubed n equal 3. So the first step, our aim is to make it linear. We know that on the right side, for linear differential equation, on the right side there is no theorem of y. There is no theorem of y, that's why we have to remove theorem of y. On the right side theorem of y, this is y cubed, that's why we must divide by y cubed. All equation by y cubed. So y prime over y cubed plus 2 over x, y over y cubed equal 4x square y cubed over y cubed. We divide all equation by y cubed. Here we remove y cubed from right side, and here if we send y cubed to numerator, y to the power of minus 3, y prime plus 2 over x, y over y cubed, 1 over y square, and send y square to numerator, it will be y to the power of minus 2 4x square. So let's use substitution. What is substitution? Second, z equal y to the power of 1 minus n. What is n? n is 3. So it will be 1 minus 3 y to the power of minus 2. Let me give hint. If you make everything correct, on this place the theorem of y must give us always z. Y to the power of minus 2 equals z. So you did everything correct for this part. And for this part, let's take derivative. Derivative of z, this is z prime. Derivative of y to the power of minus 2 minus 2y, and now let's decrease minus 3 because we took derivative. Don't forget to put y prime to show we are taking derivative z prime, y prime, and the derivative of this part minus 2y to the power of minus 3. If you did everything correct, this part must give us derivative. This part derivative and this part z. But y to the power of minus 3, y prime, y to the power of minus 3, y prime, and there is extra things minus 2. But there is no minus 2 here. So to obtain this part, always you have to multiply your equation by this constant. Always same steps for Bernoulli. If here minus 3, multiply by minus 3. If it is 1 over 4, multiply by 1 over 4. Here minus 2, let's multiply our equation. Multiply by minus 2. Because your aim is to obtain exactly this part to write z prime. Always the first part will be z prime from substitution. But there is no minus 2 here. That's why multiply by minus 2. And minus 2, y minus 3, y prime, multiply by minus 2, minus 4 over x, y minus 2, multiply by minus 2, minus 8, x squared. So now this gives us always z. Here z prime. And here you see this is z prime. Minus 4 over x. And this part always gives us, this part gives us z prime, this part gives us z. Y to the power of minus 2, exactly z, equal minus 8 x squared. You see, z prime, z on the right side there is no z. Like y prime, y on the right side there is no y. That's why this is linear differential equation. And the coefficient of z, like coefficient of y, px, and here it's qx. So integration factor mu x. What was the integration factor? Exponential integral px dx. So exponential integral minus 4 over x dx. So until here it's okay. Exponential minus 4. What's the integral? 1 over x. This is ln x. Let's suppose that x greater than 0. Normally, you know, for logarithmic function we have to put absolute value y to make it positive. Here not necessary to put, because if we say x is positive, this is already positive, that's why not necessary. So again we did minus 4 will go as power exponential ln x to the power of minus 4, remove, and x to the power of minus 4. What is the formula? What is the formula for linear? It was y equal 1 over mu integral mu times q times dx plus c. This is the formula. This is the formula for linear. But there was y. But here instead of y, what we have? We have z. So clean this part, make it z. So let's continue. What is z? Z, we know that y to the power of minus 2 equal 1 over x to the power of 1 over x to the power of minus 4. Continue, integral mu times q. Here there is mu. What is q? Minus 8 x squared. Minus 8 x squared times x to the power of minus 4. It will be minus 8 x to the power of x4, x minus 4 x squared, x minus 2 dx plus c. So let's continue. Y to the power of minus 2, x to the power of 4. If we send this trigonometry, what's the integral of this part? It will be minus 8 increase minus 1 over minus 1. Don't write minus 1 here. Minus 8 over minus 1. It will be plus 8 plus c. You can keep the solution like that. But if you want, let's continue to write proper result for us. If you want, you can continue. Y minus 2 here. Look, y minus 2 equal, if we multiply, it will be 8x cubed plus cx to the power of 4. If you reverse it and take square root, reverse it, reverse it and take square root y equals square root 8 x cubed plus c x to the power of 4. You can obtain the result like that. If you make it reversed, it will be 1 over 8 x cubed plus c x to the power of 4 y square. To remove square, take square root y equals 1 over square root, and you obtain the solution as the format y equals something. You can write like that. This is Bernoulli equation, 3 steps. Divide by y term on the right side that we have. Okay, to make it linear, use substitution and obtain linear differential equation, and we know how we solve linear differential equation, and this is Bernoulli type differential equation.